Okay, gonna make another video here of what's going on with this truck. Maybe somebody can help me figure it out. It's 55 degrees outside. Don't let the snow fool you. Here in Georgia it snows one day, wearing shorts the next. Alright. Dang, steering wheel stuck. Hold on. Alright, I don't ever get a SES light, so whatever's going on, it's either mechanical or the computer doesn't know about it. Obviously we've got a lot of smoke. It's not as bad today. Alright, so the whole left bank is down. Truck's running rough, run on 4 cylinders. It only does it when it's cold. It warms up, the bank fires right up. I don't know if it's a bad IDM. What would cause it to do it when it's cold. Glow plugs all check out. Took them all out, they all glow good. Shows cylinders 2, 6, and 8 as being open on a buzz test. But then it clears up once it warms up. I really need to get this resolved. Neighbors are getting tired of the smoke. If anybody's got any ideas, I'd appreciate it.